exciting. So, this seems to be my room. So, let me find out how this works. So, just arrived at my room, so let's see what's happening. Place to put your cases. Here you have the, oh my god, sorry. So storeroom. Coffee maker, yeah, with a welcome note and how to use a coffee maker. Pour coffee, I'm gonna have put it down. This chair I may steal before I leave. Also, the lights are amazing. I have a nice place to sit. And I suppose this is a guest sofa. Room. I have Spider-Man on the wall. I'm trying to find out where all the lights are. So I'm going to put Duffy down. He's got his special Art of Marvel hotel on. So we have here lights, oh, light off, oh, all the lights, and another light. You also have for your phone, put in here. As you can see, now we see the room with the lights on. Which is really, 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 really nice. I don't know where my view is at. I think it's around to the back. Not sure how to open the curtains. So that's my view at the moment. It's raining. As you can see, I would definitely recommend a ground floor, especially if you're here. I've seen the others because that looks brilliant to sit to in the summer. So, like I said, Duffy across there. I'm not sure how this light goes on. So there's like a day and night light. As you can see, I've got the lights on now. You've got upper lighting, you have these normal lighting on the corners, and Well, you also have television, but the television's missing. They forgot to put in a television for me. Oh no, what are we going to do? Yay! How cool is that? So that you can see on the right hand side your watch TV, Disney on demand, get connected, my hotel, parks and more, and the settings. I mean, come on, it don't get better than this. I'm finding it quite hard to talk now. Okay, so let's have a look in the bathroom because my cases haven't arrived yet. So this is to show you that, so you get to see everything. Need to hang on the wall. And you have sliding doors, which you can still see through. So, and here's the shower and bath. So you have a bath and shower combined, which is really nice. And what I can see, the shower goes very, very high, so that's a good thing also. And if this opens out to this side or the other side, yes, this side. Like I said, it goes really high up. I mean, that's the wall, so it doesn't matter how big you are, you're going to be okay here. What I really like getting down here, just look at that. That is brilliant. It's very, very simple, but I mean, obviously this has been made to last for the next, who knows how many years. Shower head. Then we get down here. You have gel douche, so shower gel, shampoo, and after shampoo. What is an after shampoo? Après shampoo. Okay, with the really nice bottles. You can see those going missing at times. What really nice is this, because it's relief. And here you have the towels. That's it for the floor, of course. And I'll show you this. This just looks brilliant. It's so modern, and with the soap, which of course no one will use, that is going home with me. So this is for shavers only. This is audio in and out, so I'm not really sure what that is. Okay, maybe I'll ask. Maybe to put in your plug in your. I have no idea. I'll have to ask. So this is the wonderful light. Should move, of course, and the mirror. As you can see, I mean, it's beautiful. It's modern. It's Marvel, but this could be in the middle of London or New York as a super chic hotel. I'll show you the carpets, which start here. Again, the bed. Also, this is where you put the lights on, so you can just like turn on one light. Yeah, and there's another one for the lights at the top. So I'll show you here. So now you have all the plugs you need. Also British plugs. And here over here, connections to load your phone, and so you'd be able to plug in everything probably here. I would know. Oh, just a little drawer here. Pull that out. So we've got a few coffees. I think that's new Disneyland sugar. I'm not sure. And milk and tea back here. So let me have a tea. 2 bottles of water, which again it's a shame to drink it because you want to take that home with you, don't you? And again, the television. So you can watch TV, just change it like this. So I'll show you what I have. Disney television, that's probably the normal Disney Wild about safety. There's safety first things, I should think. Disney Plus, which of course, I mean that's an amazing plus for the hotel. Come a little bit nearer. Then you have Euronews, BBC, CNN, the Disney Channel, which I suppose may stop soon with Disney Junior, TF1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Arte, French I suppose. I'll go through, see if there's some that we need. MTV, so you have music. Another Disney Channel. We just flip through these, so you can see you also have Qatar television. Can't say I saw any. Yeah, so there you have the German television, and we pop it up again. We just check, see what. Yeah.
The surface. Have you ever gone to the human town? Oh.
Out of towners, eh? Mm-hmm.
Hey, leave them alone. Hop on. My name is Julia Marcavino. We underdogs have to look out for each other.
Let's go to the guide. The preview is like watching the whole film, isn't it?
Loki wants to mix it up. Is that possible?
So you have also hotel exclusives. So I suppose it's only if you. I'll have to check this if you have to have a Disney Plus account because you can see the
Loki wants to mix it up. Is that possible?
And you have Disney exclusive things, like these are quick draw things. Yeah, all sorts of. Then up here we go through it. Disney Around the World, Disney Stories,
He was raised in a family of gorillas. One of his best friends was an elephant.
So that's all just really just stories. So. I'll just show you one more, which is Disney Around the World. So we'll end with the Disneyland, California.
There's no better place
So I
for
know
new
what
adventures,
I know what I'm going to be watching
making new
tonight.
friends, and memories you'll never forget. Then right here at Disneyland Resort. And with so much to see and do, you'll find more ways.
So I'm going to go out of that because it's too emotional. Okay, that was it for now. Trying to exit, but it doesn't work. So I'll have to see. Okay, so we'll put this down. You see you have a welcome note here. What is it? No, it's just a welcome note. The Art of Marvel. Another little background. That, by the way, is a great picture.